Hi, I'm Sabrina with the 2021 Texas Youth Preparedness Council, and today we're talking about the sun. You know the cute little thing you put in the corner while you're drawings as a kid? Exhibit A. Yeah, well, it turns out that the sun is really scary and dangerous. Exhibit B. As things begin to open up again, it's important to remember that the extreme winter and long year of isolation has left many of us Texans unacclimated to our scorching summers. Texas currently leads the nation in annual heat-related deaths, the most vulnerable groups being infants, the elderly, and pregnant women. Excessively high temperatures can overrun your body's temperature-regulating mechanisms, leading to heat exhaustion and even heat stroke. While in these extreme weather conditions, be wary of key signs like dizziness, nausea, and muscle cramps. If you're experiencing these symptoms, do your best to get to a cooler area and stay hydrated. If symptoms worsen, call your doctor, and in the case of an emergency, 911. The best way to assure a positive outcome in the event of a crisis is to prepare. Take your safety into your own hands by being on the lookout for heat-related weather alerts in your area, ensuring that your windows and doors are properly sealed to keep cool air in and hot air out, and pack an emergency kit with everything you and your family might need, like batteries, a reliable communication device, and a few days worth of food and clean drinking water. For the full list, visit www.wunderground.com/prepare. In the event of an extreme weather crisis, do your best to conserve energy and water. Stay inside, check on your friends and family, and remember, no matter what time of year it is, never leave children or pets in cars unattended. We recommend leaving a commonly used item like a phone or a wallet in the back with them as a reminder. And with all that being said, enjoy your fun under the sun and don't forget your SPF. We'll see you guys next month for July. Stay cool out there.